Okay guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Okay, hari ni aku nak pergi mandi ke Kuala Lumpur. Aku ada potluck sikit sana. Mandakan hari ni raya ke-3. Aku nak ke sana dengan family aku lah. Tahu lah guys, kita tunjuk muka kebarai ni guys. Okay, layan lah guys. Mungkin video ni tak cakap.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Kita sudah sampai.
Jam weh nak masuk. Okay, dah sampai guys. Bodoh kak, aku rakam. Itu bodoh, masa aku ni silent.
Bodoh John. Habis nak kalau dia ni kata. Kamu lah.
So guys, hari ni mungkin tak ramai orang lah sebab raya kan. Apa je, raya nak balik sini. Raya tu pun pagi kita pergi ni. Ini kolam air panas lah, hot spring. Tapi buat sementara ni orang tutup sebab ada kes kematian katanya lah. Ni guys, suasana di Kuala Lumpur. Benar tu kata tunggu yang lain ni. Ada lagi tak sampai. Yang ini je ada. Sebenarnya ramai lagi ni. Cuma tak sampai lagi.
Abang baik ni. Nak punya ni.
Apa perasaan anda?
Saya berasa sungguh seronok.
Seronok semacam apa tu? Seronok sangat-sangat ke macam mana?
Seronok sangat-sangat.
Sangat seronok.
Dan anda, apa perasaan anda? Seronok lah.
Ni tanya ni.
Anda, apa perasaan anda?
Minai. Minai.
Apa perasaan anda?
Mandai sungai.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a
Banyak guys. Ui, jangan tengok bawah. Jangan tengok bawah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Jangan tengok bawah. Ui, sangat lah. Ya, kita sampai guys. Sampai akhirnya, sampai. Licin.
Mana lu?
Patah balik takut.
Kenapa?
Banyak yang dah tutup lah sini. Sini dulu dewan makan.
Assalamualaikum. Kami mengucapkan selamat Hari Raya. Maaf zahir dan batin.